past, I take a sec to think. Moving forward, take a step. Trying not to fall, make any wrong, dumb, foolishness, mistake. Anything later on I'll regret. Any dumb, stupid bullshit. Do the crime, do the time, face the consequences that you'll end up facing. Work hard at it, sweating like I'm working out, doing my rutina. For my cash, money, siempre opina. Trying to progress for the best of me and my familia. Guess that we'll see how far would it take me. Will I eventually get to say that I made it at the end? Shit be trying to hold me back like I'm flunking grades again. Never sleep, sleep is for the dead. I'ma sleep when I die 6 feet deep underground in my grave. Bury me a G, I'ma be sincere. Don't you ever in your life cry for me. Pretty please, don't you ever shed a tear. If you never cry when I exist, I was here. Sleep is for the dead, sleep is a cousin of death. Snap out of it, get my head straight.